Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yasin Akan, an experienced immigration attorney here to guide you through some of the most complex aspects of the US immigration law. Today we are tackling a critical topic for many people applying for asylum in the United States after entering on a visa. Whether you came to the United States on a tourist, student, or work visa and now fear returning to your home country, this video is for you. I'll explain eligibility requirements, the filing process, important deadlines, and what happens after you apply. So let's dive in. Who can apply for asylum after entering on a visa? First, let's talk about eligibility. Entering the US on a valid visa does not disqualify you from applying for asylum. If you fear persecution in your home country, you may still qualify. To be eligible for asylum, you must have faced persecution or have a well-founded fear of persecution in your home country. This must be based on one of the 5 protected grounds: race, religion, nationality, political opinion, membership in a particular social group. 2. You must apply within 1 year of arriving in the United States. This deadline is strict but has exceptions. Understanding the 1 year filing deadline. The general rule is simple. You must file your asylum application within 1 year of entering the United States. However, there are exceptions to this rule. If you miss the deadline, you may still be eligible to file. These are the most common exceptions. Change circumstances in your home country that make returning dangerous, such as a political coup or escalating violence. 2. Extraordinary circumstances that prevented timely filing, such as serious illness. A pro tip here: if you think you qualify for an exception, make sure to include evidence explaining why you missed the deadline. How to apply for asylum. The asylum process begins with filing Form I-589, the application for asylum and for withholding of removal. Here's what you need to know. Where to file. You file Form I-589 with USCIS if you're not in removal proceedings. No visa requirement. You can apply regardless of your current visa status or even if you overstayed your visa. No fee. Filing for asylum is free, making it accessible to everyone. Once you file your application, you'll receive a receipt notice and later a date for your asylum interview with USCIS. The asylum interview process. After submitting your application, the next big step is the asylum interview. Here the preparation is key. Gather evidence such as police reports, medical records, or affidavits from your witnesses to support your claim. An experienced attorney can help ensure you're ready for your interview. What happens after you apply for asylum? Once you apply, there are a few things to keep in mind. Work authorization. If your asylum application has been pending for at least 150 days, you can apply for Employment Authorization Document (EAD). This allows you to legally work while waiting for a decision. Deportation risk. If your asylum claim is denied, you could be placed in removal proceedings. At this stage, an immigration judge will decide whether you can stay in the United States or face removal, commonly referred as deportation. Applying for asylum while on a visa. Let's address some common scenarios. Changing status. You can apply for asylum even if you're in the United States on a valid visa like B1, B2 tourist visa or F1 status or F1 student visa. Your status doesn't prevent you from filing. Overstaying a visa. If you've overstayed your visa and then apply for asylum, you can generally remain in the United States while your case is pending. However, overstaying could complicate your case, so consult an attorney to strategize. Practical tips for asylum applicants. 1. File early. The sooner you file, the sooner you can start building your case. Gather strong evidence. Documentation is critical. The more you can prove your fear of persecution, the stronger your case will be. 3. Work with an attorney. The asylum process is complex and having an experienced attorney by your side can make a huge difference. Applying for asylum after entering the United States on a visa is a life-changing decision, but it's essential to understand the process and meet all the requirements. If you're considering the step, reach out for expert legal advice to ensure your application is strong and timely. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things immigration. And if you have questions about your specific case, feel free to contact my office. I'm here to help you navigate this process with confidence. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.